To find the term progress screen for Cherry Garden, you need to be logged into the browser version of Tapestry. You need to click on Tracking and then go to Analysis, Term Progress. Just make sure you're in the Cherry Garden section. The first thing to do here is choose the periods that you'd like to see the data for. So by default, the current year will be selected and all of the periods within that year, but I'm just going to take you back a year so you've got a full year's worth of data to look at. Then just select your child and the strand you would like to see. That will open up this chart and you can see all the branches down the left-hand side and that each column relates to a particular period. So what this is showing me is that in the baseline period, Anna had achieved 100% of branch 1, 58% of branch 2, 48% of branch 3 and 13% of branch 4. There's also this little black arrow. So that is showing you the best fit branch for each of these terms. So that's branch 2 for baseline, autumn term and spring term. But it goes up to branch 3 for summer term. You can also see how the percentages are increasing across the terms. The best fit branch is the one with the highest percentage score, but which is below the threshold score which you set in your control panel. We went through that in the Enabling Cherry Garden video, so if you need a reminder of how to do that, just jump back to that one.